Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on the Skoda Kodiaq 1.4 TSI ACT SE L 4-wheel drive. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with a manual transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in black magic pearl effect paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch Sirius alloy wheels with a silver finish really complementing against the black exterior colour. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find the electric boot lid. Once open, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise controls, which is ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle is on 75,922 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey that you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet the safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto supported via USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And you also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on the Skoda Kodiaq 1.4 TSI ACT SE L 4-wheel drive that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.